front there. Here comes straight up. Avalanche! Avalanche, look out, Ryan! Holy shit! Wow.
There she goes.
Wow.